Let me introduce you to YONO LITE. YONO LITE SBI is just an alternative to YONO SBI app. What you have to do is go to Play Store and download it. Terms and conditions are to be accepted. Then enter your username. Then enter the activation code received in SMS. Now submit. Your user activation is successful. Dear user, to enable fingerprint based login in YONO LITE app, please log in with username and password. You can access the feature in hamburger menu. And you can make an easy PIN of 6 digits. Whatever you choose, it's your choice. Either make the fingertip login or easy PIN. Now let me introduce you with the hamburger menu. Here you can see YONO cash withdrawal, QR cash withdrawal, UPI transfer, quick transfer, my accounts, fund transfer, etc. You can make FDs, you can make bill payment, you can recharge your mobile. So I have opened the YONO cash feature. Here you can read what process you have to follow. Another one is UPI transfers. So stop using the apps like PhonePe and Paytm. You can use YONO LITE SBI for this purpose.